Swapping tokens without connecting your wallet? Yep, that's real and it's live on RocketX. If you want to stay secure, swap fast, and skip the whole connect wallet process, you are in the right place. The fastest way to trade any token on any chain is with RocketX. Whether you are on your phone or your laptop, you can get started in seconds. All you need to do is go to app.rocketx.exchange. Choose the source network from where you want to initiate the swap. Then choose the token you want to swap by searching via name or its contact address. And then choose the destination network and token in similar way. In the recipient column address, paste the wallet address where you want to receive your swap tokens. Then in the top right hand corner, click Connect Wallet. Either you can choose the wallet if you want to connect the wallet, or else just click Try Walletless and you can swap without connecting your wallet. Now you can compare the quotes among walletless quotes and choose the exchange partner that provide you the best rates or faster quotes as per your preference. Once you are ready with the walletless quote of your choice, just click Swap. Next, you will be prompted to send your tokens to a partner's deposit address to initiate the swap. Once done, you will receive the tokens to your recipient address. Congrats! You have just traded your token without connecting your wallet. Trading is open 24/7, no registration, no login required, not even connecting your wallet. Welcome to the trenches. You can always go to history to check your previous transaction. If you face any issue with the swap, go to help and raise a ticket. Our team is happy to help you. Any token, anywhere, anytime. Just RocketX. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Happy swapping. See you in the next one.